Hello, succulent lovers. Welcome to S-Light Green Warehouse Plant Academy. Today, we're tackling a common indoor gardening dilemma. How to keep succulents healthy in low light. Whether you're living in an apartment, dealing with a dim balcony, or just don't have access to a lot of natural sunlight, we've got solutions to help your plants thrive. Let's dive in. Why do succulents need sunlight? Succulents, native to sunny deserts, rely on photosynthesis to grow. Without enough sunlight, they can become stretched out, weak, or stunted. Understanding this helps us find effective ways to grow succulents in low-light environments. 1. Brighten your space with grow lights. Grow lights are a lifesaver for spaces with limited natural light. These lights mimic the wavelengths of sunlight that succulents need to grow. LED grow lights are energy efficient and last longer. Fluorescent lights are cheaper, but still effective for smaller spaces. Place them above your plants for 10 to 12 hours a day, and watch them thrive. 2. Rotate your plants regularly. Succulents lean toward light, causing them to grow unevenly. Rotate them every 2 to 3 days to ensure balanced growth and prevent them from becoming lopsided. 3. Maximize light with reflective surfaces. Increase the light your plants get by using reflective surfaces. Mirrors reflect light into your plant area. White walls bounce light back to your succulents. Aluminum foil or reflective sheets can amplify light. 4. Choose low-light tolerant succulents. Certain succulents are naturally low-light tolerant. Here are some great options. Snake plant. Very hardy and needs minimal light. Zebra haworthia. Small, cute, and thrives in low light. Jade plant. Can tolerate low light once established. Aloe vera. Survives in indirect light and is easy to care for. 5. Master watering. In low light, succulents grow more slowly and need less water. Overwatering can cause root rot, so always check the soil before watering. Check soil moisture. Only water when the soil is dry. Water less frequently. Succulents in low light require less water. Ensure drainage. Always use pots with drainage holes. 6. Creative window placement. Even in low light, you can position your succulents to get the most out of available sunlight. Place on shelves near windows with indirect light. Vertical gardening. Use wall-mounted shelves or hanging pots to maximize light. Move plants around to take advantage of the sun's path throughout the day. A move plant the day. 7. Keep your succulents clean. Dust can block light from reaching your succulents. Keep your plants clean by wiping the leaves gently with a soft cloth and avoiding harsh chemicals. Clean plants absorb light more efficiently. 8. Grow tents and mini greenhouses. For more serious indoor gardeners, grow tents or mini greenhouses create controlled environments that allow you to manage light, temperature, and humidity.